a beautiful day. Okay guys, I didn't grab the camera. I wanted to film coming out here, but we're in Idaho right now. Badass road trip. Come visit my buddy Matt. Go cruise around, take some pictures. I don't know if you guys know, but you've seen Matt before on my channel. He's got the same kind of car I got, so we're gonna go cruising. Probably do some dumb shit. He doesn't want to do some dumb shit, but I'm gonna try to get him to do some dumb shit. Get on camera and bust his ass. Maybe lose his job and his wife. Alright, it's gonna be fun. Let's go do this. Yeah, he thinks he's cool. Alright, we're gonna go wash the cars and go take pictures. Alright guys, there's Matt. Going to the car wash right now. Get these cars clean. I gotta go get some pictures done. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I got bugs all over my windshield. It just looks nasty. I'll go get these bad boys clean and go for a little ride. Hell yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Just drove 5 hours. All these bugs. Can't have that. I record everything, dude. You got a mitt? You got a mitt, you just gotta use a brush. Damn, I don't even do that. Yeah. Car porn. Damn. That was pretty badass. Got Black Beauty back there. Alright, you'll see more when it's my turn. Damn, look at that. Crispy. No more bugs. Alright man, she ready to go. Let's go do some dumb shit. Some good things about Idaho, man. I don't know if you can see that, but you can go fast. Everywhere. Look at this, I just washed my car. I got bugs everywhere. Can you see that? Bugs all over the windshield already. Damn it. You see Matt up there? Following him over to, I guess, this place he calls the river. So we're gonna go check out the river. Hopefully get some good pics, man. Idaho is beautiful though, look at this. Surrounded by trees instead of buildings. Really nice. I guess this is what he meant by the river. Beautiful. Cool. That must be the bridge he's talking about right there. I don't know if you see it. It's a pretty cool place, man. Pretty cool place. Alright, we're coming up to some stuff up here. I don't know what's going on. River. Okay. You'll see here in a minute. Alright guys, now we're going through the mountains. Look at all the snow. Driving a couple fair ladies through the mountains. Pretty cool. It's like 80 degrees right now. It's pretty hot. There's all the snow everywhere. It's kind of weird. I'm surprised it's not melting. See Matt up there, he's flying. He's flying. Alright guys, more to come. Look at this place. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Cruising through Idaho, man. Look at that. It's badass. gonna stop at a waterfall and take some pictures. I don't know. Girls are over there taking pictures of this waterfall that we found. Pretty cool waterfall. Car's looking good. See, in this waterfall, I'll get over there so you can see. In this waterfall, water's coming out these old hot rods up there. That's like an old 30s coupe coming out the back right there. There's another old hot rod up there right there. I've never seen a waterfall like this that had old hot rods in it. Pretty badass. Idaho, man, it's pretty trippy. Yeah, think how badass that is. That's sick. Alright guys, where's Matt? There he is. At the very top of the waterfall, exploring up there. See him? Right there. See if he falls. He's trying to find a way down, it looks like. Oh man, what's he gonna do? He looks frustrated. He looks stuck, he looks scared. Oh man. Come on, camera, focus. There you go. Oh, the focus is on these branches pretty good. So he's pretty damn high up there. Alright man, Matt's gonna do some crazy shit.
He's got a golf cart. He's gonna go here, Jake.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna do a couple donuts.
Oh hell yeah, okay. Shannon's upset.
I don't do this stuff. I
What? You don't do it? You scared?
don't. No, I just
I say let her do it, Matt. I say let her do it. Alright, let's go.
We're waiting for this dude to finish his hole.
Alright. I think we're gonna take off after this, Matt. Just like get on the freeway and just go.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Hit the when you come down to the bottom of this, you take a left and you come into Smelterville. You'll come to a three-way stop with a coffee stand. You take a right, that'll bring you right to the freeway.
Okay. You don't want to do it, Shannon?
No.
Come on, Shannon. I bet you that'd really turn Matt on.
I don't care. I don't need a car to do that.
It helps. We got golfers. Nosy ass golfers. He's looking too. He's like, these motherfuckers, they're gonna do some shit. My wife over there. Gonna take pictures? Gonna take pictures, baby? Okay. Get some good ones. Put these on Facebook. Bust Matt's ass. I guess we're gonna wait for this golfer because he's a fucking asshole. We gotta take a sweet ass little bitch ass fucking time. Go over there and smack his ass with those fucking golf clubs. Fucker. Got his bitch ass on camera. You on candid camera now, buddy. Taking your sweet ass time. Get that on camera. Okay. Get some crazy pictures, okay, baby? Okay. Hold on. Alright.
She's gotta get out.
Okay. So he fucked up, he put the traction control on. He's gotta go again, people. Redemption.
Yeah, no.
He's doing the redemption. Going for the redemption now. Let's see him do some donies, some shitties. There we go. Whip those shitties. Damn. Yeah. Hold it.
Alright, there's your donuts.
Alright. Oh yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. This is ridiculous, man. We're on the wastelands in the desert, Washington. Just left Idaho, and it's freaking pouring down rain. What the hell? Look at this. I gotta tell you guys too, man, so after Matt started doing those donuts, I said, hey, I want to do some donuts too, right? And I did a couple donuts, whatever, did a little burnout. We left, and I got pulled over. Can you believe that shit? I actually got pulled over. And I'll tell you what happened when I get home. Alright, so I'm home. Made it home. It's a beautiful day. Alright, I'm going to explain to you guys what happened with the police. Okay, so as you guys saw in the video, after Matt was doing some donuts, having a good time, you know, sliding the car around a little bit, I took it upon myself to also do some donuts. And then I probably did like 2-3 of them, and then we fucking got the hell out of there. And we were leaving the golf course pretty quickly. And there just so happened to be a cop rolling up. And he flashed his lights, and Matt kept going, and I pulled over. And he came up to me and he goes, we've had reports of 2 350Zs speeding around and doing Brodies up at the golf course. I was like, well, yeah, that was us, you got us. And I explained to him, you know, like, we're just trying to get some cool pictures. And I'm not from there, I'm from Washington, just want to get a couple good pictures. So we did a couple Brodies and then we left. He goes, well, if you're gonna do dumb shit, make sure you do the dumb shit when there ain't some old people around that have nothing better to do but call the cops. I was like, yeah, I apologize, you're right. He goes, but these 350Zs are pretty cool, and if I had one, I'd be up there doing it with you. So of course, you know, we had a good laugh about that. And he gave me a warning. He goes, now I gotta call and make sure that they don't press charges. So then he made the call, they didn't press charges, and we left. Got on the freeway, drove home. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Shout out to the Idaho cops, you guys are pretty cool. Thank you for not giving me a ticket. Love you.